I'm Edith Ray with Raediant, and today we're going to make a really cool concoction called fire cider. And as you can tell from the name, there's going to be some fire in here, some warming spices. This is a concoction made with vinegar and honey, and we're infusing in this solvent, we're infusing many herbs that have antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory properties. And this is a great preventative for colds and flus or throat. And also when you do get sick, it will help you to strengthen your immune system. So I'm going to show you how to make this today. So you take a jar, and we're going to put first all the different herbs into the jar, and then we're going to fill it up with apple cider vinegar. The first ingredient, we're going to use onion. So I chopped it up already. We're going to chop up about one medium onion, add about one head of garlic. And garlic, as you might have heard, is also called the poor man's penicillin. So we're going to put that in, and you can put in as much garlic as you want. The third ingredient we're going to use is cinnamon, and cinnamon is a warming and stimulating herb that improves your circulation and is also antiviral. So I'm going to put in about 2 cinnamon sticks. The next ingredient is going to be ginger, and this is a fresh ginger root, and we use about 1 to 2 inches of ginger. So I cut it up already here, and we're just going to add that to the jar. And now we're going to use a close cousin of the ginger root. This is turmeric root, and this is one of the most antioxidant rich herbs in the world. This is what the root looks like. It's very yellow, so if you touch it and work with it, you turn yellow, and the counter and your clothes, everything will turn yellow, so watch out for that. Because these are dried roots, I'm going to use the powder instead, but if you have fresh roots, you could put fresh root in there. So we're going to put about a tablespoon of this wonderful, wonderful herb into it. That's also anti-inflammatory and improves your immune system. So in most recipes you don't put the next ingredient in, but I do, because I learned that peppercorns, black pepper, actually helps the body to absorb the turmeric. So I'm going to put maybe about a teaspoon of peppercorns into this to help absorb the turmeric. Pepper also enhances your circulation, so it's good for that too. Now we're going to put a little bit of fire into this mixture. We're going to use cayenne pepper, which is a circulatory stimulant. And I'm just going to put a little bit, like 1/8 of a teaspoon in it. But of course you can add, if you like it really hot, you can add some more to it. And the last ingredient we're going to use is orange. And we're adding orange for its taste. It gives a little bit of a sweet taste, but also because it has lots of antioxidants, and of course is rich in vitamin C. Now that we have all the ingredients in the jar, we're going to add apple cider vinegar to it. So this is raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with its mother in it. And we're just going to add that. And then we're going to cover it with a lid and seal it really tightly. And then we're going to shake it. So shake it a bit. So now we're going to let this hang out in your kitchen for 2 to 4 weeks, and the apple cider vinegar will extract the constituents from the plants that we want. And after about 4 weeks, I would say, we're going to strain this into another jar. So this is your fire cider, strained, and finally we will add honey, maybe about 1/4 of a cup honey into it. And this is a wonderful concoction. It's pungent, it's sweet, it's a little bit bitter, And you can use this as your medicine. You can keep it in the fridge for a few weeks and take a little shot. You can take 1 to 3 teaspoons of this mixture a day, or even more if you're already feeling a cold coming on. You can increase the dose. Or another fun way to do it is take a little shot. Let's try this. I'm on fire! I'm gonna give a little try to my cameraman and see how he likes it.